Happy weekend. Good morning.
Morning. Right.
Anyways, welcome back, Team DWC. It's your boy TWP Popcorn. Y'all already know what time it is. It's like 10 a.m. on Saturday, aka another day in paradise. If it ain't paradise where you is, holla at your boy for some monetization coaching. Because, hell, we'll get you making more money. That way you can feel like you in a better place yourself. Good morning, Naomi. How you doing? Good to see you. Hopefully you're doing good and feeling good. If not, may you be better one day. Because today might not be that day. And of course, my phone and computer is acting slow today. Morning, Izzy. How you doing? Good to see you. Izzy over here trying to make the intro clip. That's what's up.
If you're new here to the Phoenix, those are kind of like our guidelines or guiding beliefs here. We have four myths. Number one is one and all. So no matter what you're rising from, whether it is recovery, if you face mental challenges, or you are just all in one. Those is honor strength.
Let's see. Let's see. Oh, that's good. Hell, working on a Saturday though, we gonna have to get you a better job so that way you can work Monday through Friday, and that way we can actually have you networking on the weekends. I mean, get your pay, but hell, it's the reason why you're supposed to have 4 days a week you primarily work. Hell, working on the weekend when everybody else at home trying to kick it. But if as long as you ain't missing out on nothing by working on the weekends, hell, grown people gonna make their money all damn day. Hell, gotta get that bag. The bag ain't gonna get itself. I worked 7 days a week personally, so I'd be like, well, what the fuck is a weekend? Because I still get up early because I got shit to do. Speaking of stuff to do, looks like